Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We removed the hood for the purpose of the video, but you don't have to remove the hood for this procedure. I'm going to take a 90-degree pick tool and we're going to remove this arm. We need to get underneath this cover here. There's a little slot. You just pull up on that. It's right there, and it's the same as on the driver's side. Now I'll take a 14mm socket and a ratchet. We'll take this nut off. Then we're going to grab the wiper arm. We're going to pull up and push down. Just go back and forth with it. That's going to break it free. Pull it off. All right, so we're going to install the wiper arm. The position of where the arm goes, you can actually see where the dirt was from where the blade was. So we can put it back in that same position. You could also mark these locations with like a crayon, and that way you'd get it installed in the same position. And then I'll install the nut. And once that nut's on, we're going to take a 14mm socket and a ratchet, and we'll hold the arm while we snug this up. That's good. Once that's on and torqued, then we can put the cap on. All right, so I can torque this nut to 17 foot-pounds. We actually sell these torque wrenches at 1aauto.com. We'll reinstall this wiper arm. We can see our window was a little dirty, so we can see the location of where the wiper blade was. You could also mark it with a crayon or a whiteboard marker, just to keep in reference for where the wiper was. Now we'll put the nut on. Now we'll snug this nut up with a 14mm socket and a ratchet. You can torque it with this torque wrench to 17 foot-pounds. We'll reinstall the cover. Just line it up, press it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.